Welcome to Home and Haven Living. Today, we're tackling a big issue: plastic. It's everywhere, but the good news is there are amazing alternatives that are better for you and the planet. Let's dive into the best swaps to reduce plastic in your life. Before we talk alternatives, let's quickly look at why reducing plastic is so important. Did you know that over 300 million tons of plastic are produced every year? Most of it ends up in landfills, our oceans, or gets incinerated, releasing harmful chemicals into the air. By choosing sustainable alternatives, you're not just protecting the environment, you're also keeping harmful toxins out of your home. Now, let's check out some of the best plastic-free swaps. Number 1. Plastic-free kitchen essentials. Let's start in the kitchen, one of the biggest culprits for plastic waste. Instead of cling wrap, try beeswax wraps like this one. They're reusable, biodegradable, and perfect for keeping your food fresh. Next up, storage. Ditch plastic containers and opt for glass or stainless steel. They're durable, chemical-free, and they look way better on your shelves. Swap out your plastic dish brushes and sponges for bamboo brushes and compostable alternatives. And don't forget solid dish soap. It's a zero-waste game-changer. Number 2. Cleaning without plastic. Did you know you can replace plastic-heavy cleaning supplies with DIY solutions? Make your own all-purpose cleaner with white vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Store it in a glass spray bottle. For laundry, ditch plastic dryer sheets and try wool dryer balls. They're reusable, chemical-free, and reduce drying time. You can even make your own natural laundry detergent. Number 3. Sustainable bathroom swaps. Let's head to the bathroom. Replace plastic toothbrushes with bamboo ones. Did you know that billions of plastic toothbrushes end up in landfills every year? Bamboo breaks down naturally, making it a guilt-free choice. Number 4. On-the-go alternatives. Let's talk about life on the go. Always carry a reusable water bottle, like this stainless steel one. It keeps drinks cold or hot for hours. And don't forget reusable straws. Small changes like these really add up. Number 5. Mindful shopping habits. Lastly, let's talk about shopping. Bring your own cloth bags instead of using plastic ones. And if you can, shop in bulk stores where you can fill your own jars with staples like rice and pasta. Not only does this reduce waste, but it also makes your pantry look Instagram ready. Making the switch to plastic-free alternatives is easier than you think. Start with small changes, one product at a time, like your kitchen or bathroom, and build from there. Before you know it, you'll have a more sustainable, eco-friendly home. I challenge you to make one plastic-free swap this week, whether it's a reusable water bottle or bamboo toothbrush. Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Together, we can create a greener future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Home and Haven Living.